All right, I have Lemi Shine Dishwasher Cleaner. It removes buildup and deodorizes with powerful citric extracts right here, okay? It says powerful formulas, safer for products, all right? So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna show you how to use this in the dishwasher to remove buildup and to deodorize your dishwasher, all right? So what I have right here, I have it right here. And if your filter is dirty, you probably want to check to see if you have a debris in your filter because you want to remove the food and whatnot before using this, or else you'll just be covering up the smell and not really removing it altogether. So let's get started with this. So I have the Lemi Shine, and it shows you on the side, it says clean your dishwasher once a month. Pour contents of pouch. You look inside here, there's already pouches in here. There's plenty of pouches in here. There's about several of them. And I have one pouch already primed and ready to be added. But let's go ahead and read more. It says pour contents of pouch into bottom of empty dishwasher and then run as normal. And it says for heavy buildup, use 2 pouches because it may be required on initial cleaning. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So I removed 1 pouch so far. Now what it's saying is just to go ahead and add this to the bottom of the dishwasher, which it shows in the diagram. I'm gonna go ahead and add it all the way into the dishwasher like that. And then once I have that, it says go ahead and run as normal. So I have some finished quantum dishwasher pods, which I use. You may use something different, but I'm using this right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add this where I normally use. I think these things look so cool right here. You see I have the blue, red, and white. I guess that's all American colors, right? I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this as normal. I'm gonna go ahead and add this into the compartment, close it, and then I'm going to shut the dishwasher after I set the settings. I usually go for a normal, and then I want to go ahead and do the sanitize just for cleaning purposes, I guess. All right, so once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and start and close it and get it started. And that is how you use the Lemi Shine Dishwasher Cleaner. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.